an der Ostsee.
Come with me.
Morning dancing on the sea. Baltic wind is calling me. Along the shore we take it slow. Blue horizons start to glow.
Summer houses, flowers bright, white sails drifting into light. Every step beside the blue, Travemünde, back to you. Feel the sunlight, feel the breeze, hear the waves beneath the trees. Take my hand and walk with me where the Baltic meets the dream.
Travemünde, Baltic sky, where the sea and summer fly.
Oh, Travemünde,
Stay with me.
we are young, we are free.
Oh, the water shines.
Oh, these days are mine.
From the harbor to the sea.
Travemünde, you and me. Down the promenade we go, summer moving soft and slow. Ferries passing white and blue, sailing toward a distant view.
Old red houses, harbor light. Little boats are shining bright. Market colors, open skies. Northern summer in our eyes.
Hear the harbor, watch the tide. Ships are moving by our side. From the lighthouse to the bay,
I could walk these streets all day. Travemünde, Baltic sky, where the sea and summer fly.
oh Travemünde,
Stay with me.
we are young, we are free.
Oh, the water shines.
Oh, these days are mine.
From the harbor to the sea.
Travemünde, you and me. An der Ostsee, Hand in Hand,
Sommerwind,
und weißer Sand.
ships are sailing through the blue.
Every